Hey guys, this is your favorite channel DIY gardening tips, and today I am going to give you a unique gardening tips from Old Tyres. And for that, I have curated a list of DIY tire decoration ideas to beautify your garden. So let's start our video. We have many options to use old tires and recycle them, and one of which is tire stools. One imaginative way to use tires in your garden is to make them into seats. Many tires may be fabricated and put together to provide a comfy seating arrangement. Dye them in bright colors like blue or orange to make your garden decor. Tire seats can offer a unique touch in your garden and an ideal for your next barbecue gathering. The next option is tire decoration for vegetable garden. As a first time home buyer, if you want to raise nutritious and organic veggies for your family, use tires to grow them directly in your garden. They may be used in the same way as any other traditional plant holder. Fill the middle of the tire with nutrient rich soil and plant seeds to your choice for a lovely, lush garden. Another option is playing area for kids. Tire decoration may be utilized to provide fascinating play choices in a kid friendly garden. Paint old tires in bright colors and stack them to build a mountain. A tire obstacle course may also be fun for children to play. Another option is tire swing. It's very common. A tire swing has long been widespread in the garden. Suspended an old tire from a rope to add a fun and active element to your yard. Hang the complete setup from a tree and you're ready to go. And obviously, your kids will be like it. Next option is tire pots for plants. If you do not want the full tire to be seen, embed half of it in the garden soil so that the top is visible. It gives the appearance of spherical pots for your outdoor plants. Plant flowers, herbs, or veggies to your liking. The next option is tire decoration for hanging planters. Unique hanging pots made of discarded rubber tires are another lovely tire decoration for plants. You have the option of painting them or leaving them in their natural form. Plant delicate vines and creepers such as English ivy to lend a touch of refinement to your landscape. Last but not the least, option is border your garden with tires. Using old tire to line your garden is one of the simplest tire decoration ideas. Tires may be used to define the boundaries of your garden or the area's curving walkways. To add a splash of color to your landscape, paint them in bright colors. You may utilize the complete body construction or cut it into half moons to decorate your garden. So this is all about today's video, and I hope you will like it and subscribe our channel, like it, the hit button. Thank you so much.